In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe as a payment method on Xero Invoices 5 minutes. Let's start in Xero. Sign in to your Xero account with your usual credentials and head to your main dashboard. From there, open the menu under your organization name and go to Settings. In Settings, look for Payment Services. This is where Xero lets you connect providers your customers can use to pay your invoices online. Choose Add New Payment Service, then select the option for cards and digital wallets. Next, pick Get Set Up with Stripe. Xero will take you to Stripe to either log into an existing Stripe account or create one if you're new. Follow the prompts on Stripe's site to confirm your business details and permissions. When prompted, submit the connection. After you complete the Stripe onboarding, you'll be redirected back to Xero to finish linking Stripe to your organization. If you see any confirmation screens, complete them so the connection is active. With Stripe now linked, it's time to apply it to your invoice branding so customers see a Pay Now option. Go back to your organization menu in Xero, open Settings again, and choose Invoice Settings. You'll see your branding themes listed. Select the theme you use for customer invoices and click Edit. Within that theme, find the Payment Services section, often labeled credit card or similar. From the available services, choose Stripe. If there's a drop-down or a search box, use it to locate Stripe quickly, then confirm your selection. When you're done, click OK or Save to apply the changes. A few quick tips to make this smooth. You'll need the right permissions in both Xero and Stripe, so if something isn't clickable, check your user role. Stripe can accept major cards, and depending on your region and settings, digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Fees are set by Stripe, so it's a good idea to be familiar with those in advance. Also, if you use multiple branding themes in Xero, repeat the selection of Stripe in each theme where you want online payments enabled. That's it. You've connected Stripe, linked it in Xero, and enabled it in your invoice branding so your customers can pay online with a single click. Once your changes are saved, future invoices that use that theme will display the payment button powered by Stripe. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to get paid faster.